Why didn't God stop it? From the beginning? Why didn't he heal it? Right away? I will restore to you the years. The years that were not lost all at once, but taken in stages. The gnawing locust, slowly consuming, before you even noticed. The creeping locust, moving quietly, taking more and more. The stripping locust, removing what remained, even the covering. The swarming locust, devouring everything, until nothing was left. Why would God allow this? Because he does not just restore what was lost. He rebuilds what was never whole. If it had stopped too soon, you would have remained partially broken. But when everything is stripped away, only God remains. And from that place, restoration becomes recreation. I will restore to you the years. Nothing was wasted. What was eaten will be restored.
Hi, this is Michelle. If this video blessed you, please like and subscribe. Your support helps us keep going.